Hi everyone, this is Erin from Sandpaper Road, and this is the Force of Gentleness paper collection by Craft a Clock. We'll start with the 12 by 12. You get 6 sheets and they are double-sided. The color palette is shades of gray and yellow all throughout. And if you have someone in your life who is into dancing, ballet, contemporary, jazz, the dancer in your life, this is the paper collection to highlight those events, photos, memories, all of that. So you've got cut aparts and little embellishments on the back of the packaging. Beautiful, beautiful paper. These pictures that you have to highlight recitals and things like that are going to go perfect on this color palette. Wonderful neutral tones of the gray, but then imagine if you had pictures with like pink outfits or orange outfits against this yellow. Absolutely wonderful, just wonderful. Now you've also got pictures of horses and timepieces and things like that as you go through. Just wonderful, wonderful. Look at that. Look at that. Yeah, this is the one. This is the one you've been looking for. This is the one. So that is the 12 by 12. Also, don't forget about the strip on the bottom of the back side of each page. And you get 6 sheets and it's 250 GSM. The 8 by 8, you get 18 sheets. And again, this is double-sided as well, so you get 3 of each. And I'm showing you this bit by bit because the back of the packaging is different on the 8 by 8 versus on the back of the 12 by 12. So there you get 3 of these. Then look at that. Look at that. And 3 of those. Just beautiful. Perfect for your mini albums, smaller albums, obviously. I love that dark gray. Gray and yellow, just so perfect for all kinds of a variety of different, and not just for the dancer. If I could just say, if you're just looking at just this, imagine the projects you could make with just this color palette alone, regardless of using the dancer theme or not. Just really beautiful. I mean, this is beautiful, the music notes on the paper, and so don't limit your thinking to, just the dancer, but again, that's really something to have on the paper. Lay out lots of different variety within the patterns. Oops, there's 2 there. I grabbed 2. So yeah, 3 of each there in the 8 by 8, and this is a little bit lighter. It's 190 GSM. The 6 by 6, you get 24 sheets. You get 4 of each design, and on the back of the packaging of this one, you have a modified version of the 12 by 12 with the tags and such. So this is exactly the same as we've seen, just scaled down to the 6 by 6. I like this nice border around that one there. And then it repeats. Okay, so 24 sheets there in the 6 by 6, and this one is heavier weight, 250 GSM. Also, one detail I forgot to mention here, at the end of the 6 by 6, you get a bonus set of cut aparts that you don't get in any of the other packs. These particular embellishments are not in the 12 by 12 or the 8 by 8 or the extras or anything like that. And then a little link to a little back sheet there, but these are unique to the 6 by 6. Okay, when it comes to the extras, this collection was made before Craft a Clock changed how they do their extras. So these are actually just single sheet extras, 12 by 12, and it's 1 sheet sold separately per extra. This is a sheet of cut apart. You could see the suggestion from where you would just simply cut that. And then on the back, so you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 cut aparts. And then on the back is just a nice pattern. And that's good for tucking into pockets, or you could write journaling on this side, and then you've got a nice back. And this is the single sheet of cut apart decorative cards is what they're called. This is the sheet of extras to cut. It's single-sided, but 250 GSM and several embellishments to just cut out yourself with scissors. You do get flowers and leaves. And I really like how you've got a mirror image. So if you need your image to face this way, you've got one, and vice versa if you need it to face this way. Same with all the images. You've got mirror images in a variety of sizes. This is really, really a nice start to fussy cutting if you're new to that as well. Okay, and now we've got a single sheet of yellow flowers. Well, there's a few gray ones in there as well, and they are outlined. You can see there's a real subtle outline of white, and then a sort of a light yellow behind it, and that was specifically designed for, like, if you're using a cutting machine, then it can see that contrast, especially when you're dealing with these gray ones and the machine is trying to know the difference between black and white. But single-sided, so you don't have to worry about any kind of flipped images or things like that on the other side. Single sheet flowers, beautiful. We also have a coordinating single sheet page of leaves. And I might also add and mention that the weight of these single sheets is 250 GSM. It's very heavy, so it can withstand your glue gun, with the exception of the decorative cards is light, like a 190 GSM. So that's good to know as well. And this is a really nice page to have. It could complement lots of different paper collections in your stash. So a really good buy. And finally, we have the junk journal set that coordinates with the collection. First, you get this little tag, and it's got almost like a little bookmark and on the back of the packaging. Just this is the extent of the packaging. It's real nice, resourceful. You've got some folded pockets that once you cut them out, you fold the tabs in, and then you just put your adhesive there. So really nice for your mini album creations and things like that, and more tags. And then on the back, a single sheet of like a bonus pattern paper. So if some of this shows through in your project, on the back you don't have just a white blank sheet. That's really nice. More corner pockets and just a front pocket. And notice the dancer girl on the pocket. Isn't that just something? Look at that. And then the pattern paper here. You've got 2 envelopes to cut. And then that's nice to have that pattern paper on the other side of the envelope, isn't it? Then you've got some junk journal elements that are, I mean, just ideal for scrapbooking, mini album making, card making, frames, tags, tickets, timepieces, other little like ephemera and tags. You've got bingo cards, labels. I love these little rulers that they include, and these little tabs that are just perfect on the outsides of your pages. And this one got turned around. Then a row of tickets and little tiny pockets, and then one big, large, like a cut apart or like a big page tab. And that is the junk journal set. So in here you get 6 sheets that are sized 6 by 12 that can easily fit into a cutting machine. Well, thanks so much for looking. These items are available in the category Force of Gentleness at sandpaperroad.com. There are also links throughout the video to make your life really easy. You can shop right within YouTube by just clicking on the links. Nothing costs you extra because it's the Sandpaper Road shop and you're right on the channel. And these are collections that come from Poland. So when they are gone, they're gone. Definitely jump on this as quick as you can And don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.